weather, it's never better. It is too damn hot, getting fed up. Well, I understand you need everything you wanna be, but this mother.
Hey guys, and Merry Christmas. If you are not a traditional person like me, you may have no family, no Christmas ham, no warm family gatherings. But you know what we do have? We have Postmates. Today's video is sponsored by Postmates. Please use code. I'm just kidding. I haven't seen Philly Deep sponsored by Postmates. I've seen a couple people sponsored by Postmates and I was like, I am Postmate Queen. No, Shane's Postmate Queen. I'm Postmate Princess. Oh gosh, it smells so good. Oh my god, I'm so Merry Christmas to me. Little do they know, it's just me. Oh my god, look at all this bacon. This bacon is kind of insane. This is so crazy. Oh my god, I'm so oh my god, this bacon. Why'd they give me so much? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What specific place to order bacon from? But I don't. I do guys my BB-8. I saw where BB-8s order. But he died on me this morning, so I'll recharge him. What's wrong with him? Very bomb. I took pictures of myself in a thong this morning. That was exciting.
You are doing good. We are doing good. We are doing great. We are doing good.
Guys, you guys will be wondering why is this beside us? The reason is that we are going to be doing another epic challenge. You all are invited, guys.
Let's now 1, 2, go.
And you know we are going to eat first, isn't it?
It doesn't matter. You can do whatever. You'll be eating and I'll be doing my one.
What do you think that you'll be eating and we'll be doing my one? Sylvia, shut up and concentrate. Shoot. Guys, I'm shaking.
Talking.
I'm shaking. Someone should help me. No. If I quit, if I lose this, honey, I'm going to quit challenge.
Yeah, we can be doing.
I'm going to check. It's not going to be mixed together. Nothing will be mixed together. I'm done. Guys, I'm done. Life is good.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Today may be your day. Tomorrow be my day. Take it easy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having another car mukbang and we're eating mod pizza. So we all got our own individual pizzas. I got a mega mod crust, so it's like thicker crust, and it has, I believe it's Alfredo, I don't know, whatever their white sauce is with pesto sauce, mozzarella cheese, feta cheese, chicken, mushroom, olives, garlic.
Mine has the perfect amount of like pizza and spice.
Pizza and spice?
Yeah, because of jalapenos.
I'm starting to regret not getting a mega crust.
Well, now you know next time.
It's too thin.
A lot better. So are you guys excited for tonight? Get to open some gifts, see some family members. We're just having a small gathering, nothing big like we usually do. And it's real fruit juice. So yeah, I baked a bunch of cookies. I think I was baking for like 4 hours straight, maybe longer. I wasn't done baking until like midnight last night. So we are filming this on Christmas Eve.
Hey guys, it's Steph, and today we are trying Mr. Beast Burger. I am so excited. I watched his video last night and I got the app and I was like, oh, I hope there is a location near me, because he opened up like 300 restaurants and I could see that Ohio was lit up and I was like, yes, please be near me, because I would have driven like an hour or two to try it, but there was literally one 10 minutes away. So we got the Beast style burger, the chicken, and the spicy chicken, which hopefully they're all still warm. If not, I could just go inside and warm it up. And then each one was a combo, so I got fries. Good thing I went inside and got a fork. So I got fries with 2 of them, and the Beast style fries. So his like Beast mode is ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard. Let's check out this chicken. This one might be the Nashville hot. They actually look almost the same, so I'm not sure which one is the spicy. No idea. Well, we will have to just taste them to try them and find out. And then we have the Beast style burger. And I actually added caramelized onions on here too, because I love caramelized onions. Tastes like Burger King's. And this logo is so cute. I love that. And I was gonna drive to this place because I wanted to like see what it looked like. They placed it right next to our mall. Well, I know for sure I got one Nashville hot and one original, so to me they taste exactly the same. I'm guessing they may have messed it up, unless other people are saying the same thing.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Darius, and what is my intro?
I don't know.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Darius, and this video is for the girls. If you don't know what that means, listen up. You don't have to be a girl. That's not what that means. It's really hard to explain to the older generation.
Great prayer, by the way.
Thank you. I learned it when I was 7. Memorized it.
No, I'm not laughing at it.
Now, I told myself I was gonna only be drinking soda, but because
only drink soda?
No, I mean, you know what I meant. I can't even think. I'm so hungry right now.
Way too late for that.
I'm mad they don't have it all day anymore.
And we looked it up, and they said a lot. What'd you even do today? I was basically in the house all day by myself.
We went to a lot of stores. Every video we talk about Christmas shopping.
I feel like I got a lot done.
I'm scared to try this McRib.
They
Listen.
ask that while you're ordering it.
I didn't know what you were saying by keep when you said keep. But first of all, let me just take a bite of this. First of all, everybody, I'm taking a bite out of this. The meat looks like it's so, and then I don't like that it's in the shape of a rib cage.
Did I get stuff all over my shirt? This is brand new.